push in. Ready?
Yep. Oh, hit.
Hey, they just went down on the left. Contact! Come on, point.
I'm not gonna do this.
Contact! I'm with you, I'm with you.
Oh shit, Andy's here. Andy on your rear?
Bravo, I don't got the tricks anymore.
Go around, go around, go around.
What?
Sorry! Wait, I got cross covers on the door. Hey, keep cross covers.
Reminder, Octagon, building Octagon.
Should I go that way or that way?
Up the building, that is
Wang, I killed one shooter.
No.
You good?
Thanks, shot at.
I'm gonna bump over here. I'm gonna take cross coverage and flank.
Hey, VIP's behind us now.
I know, I see him.
Oh shit. Woo! Why you got one? You're 12.
I got one down past building 6. Oh, you're good. You hit me in the ass. You're good. On the clock, on the clock. Mine's 12 o'clock. This way. 3 o'clock this way.
Fucking shit. Fucking Wemax.
By the car! In the direction of 28, building 28.
Third objective building is Octagon. Complete up the building between Okinawa and Hillhouse.
Andy, where you at?
Kawhi, you doing okay?
Got it. Go low, 13. Azuma, on hit. Chris,
Yep.
you up?
Yep, I'm up.
Yes, you took his ball or no?
Hold on. Where are you?
Is the VIP in the same spot?
I don't know where the VIP is. It's over on the left side, I think.
Building is Anderson Boy. New objective building
Hold here, hold here.
Roger. Holding.
Trailer's on right, trailer's on right.
Understood. Understood.
Hey!
Understood.
Hey, contact right! Trailer! Small trailer, contact right!
You got 2 in the trailer. They're pretty far, Andy.
Rep, timer. Rep, what's the timer?
And you guys have 1 minute remaining left in this game. You guys have 1 minute remaining left in this game.
Understood.
Holding right.
I'm taking hits for my 1 o'clock. Call the clock now. Building 13. Building 13.
Trying to build a kill out. Look at this kill out. You guys have 30 seconds remaining left in this game.
Holding it down. Chris, sit rep.
Clear.
Sit rep.
Clear right.
Upper left.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Max out, max out. The game is on. Let entering the staging or
I literally
squad.
did.
That's it, so it's 5, 2.
Yeah, man.
Oh shit, this guy's right here. Oh fuck, dude.
I was waiting for my guy to suppressing fire you and I'd rush you guys with my pistol. But he didn't have the chance and he never shot.
Oh damn.
That was an awesome fight, though, when I was at that window.
Thank you
When I
much.
tossed me the blicky, and I was like, down to the ground.
Damn. God, man, stay clear. Wait, do I have the ammo? No, I don't.
How do you like this?
Dude, that thing shoots fucking straight. Holy shit. Is it DM or what is it? It's DM. Dang.
Oh.
I know, I need a dude.